What's up, guys? It's your boy Curry Gaming, and today I have three three Spin Master Monster Jam trucks to unbox for you today, and I am so excited to review these because obviously, obviously now Walmart has a new exclusive set, which is the Zombie Invasion, and then the doubles packs are like Zombies versus Hunters. And today I found 3 out of the 4 of the Zombie Invasion Mixed 1 singles packs, and I'm going to review each of the trucks for you today. So we are going to start with the first one. The first one we're going to take a look at is the Zombie Northern Nightmare. Alright, so here is the Northern Nightmare zombie truck. I must say it looks really cool. I love the detail on this truck. That is really cool. I like the zombie hand with the 2012 Freestyle Champion in there, and then the Monster Jam logo. So basically, instead of the maple leaves, it's zombie arms and goo. There's the Northern Nightmare logo, Monster Jam logo. Grill printing, Monster Jam. We have the Monster Jam Canada.ca logo. I love the flame. I love all the wrapping going around the body, and then, or the hood, I should say. And then there's the zombie hand again. This is a crazy looking truck. Then it's got a yellow roll cage, black chassis, black rims, and then these, I guess you could say, highlighter yellowish green tire treads. They look cool though. Pretty awesome truck. So yeah, and obviously there's no need for headlights if it's supposed to be a dead truck. So yeah, very awesome. Glad to have that in my collection. Moving on to the second truck, Great Clips Mohawk Warrior Zombie. Now this is probably my favorite Mohawk Warrior that they've come out with this year. I really like it. So it's got the yellow roll cage, black chassis, black rims, and then these tire treads are a little more green compared to Northern Nightmare. It's got a half green, half yellow Mohawk. You got a zombie face of George Balhan. The shades are still intact though. And you got like those little flames or something, and then you got like this like bloody ooze surrounding his face. Mohawk Warrior, Great Clips logo right there, Monster Jam logo. You got the Great Clips logo. Again, you got more like, you got that green flame stuff. Then you can see the exposed brains on the top with some wounds. That's pretty cool. Great Clips Mohawk Warrior on the tailgate, same thing on this side. And obviously, because it's a dead truck, no need for headlights. So yeah, so I don't know why Monster Jam OCD got picky about that, because like if the zombie invasion trucks are supposed to be, zombie trucks, like if they're dead, then like I don't think they would have eyes. Because like the headlights would represent eyes, but in this case, since they're dead trucks, I don't think they really need headlights. So yeah. And then the last one that I got today is the Megalodon. So the only one that I am missing so far is the Zombie Pirate's Curse. And then after that, I will have the complete collection of Mix 1, and then I can move on to Mix 2 of the Zombie Invasion. Alright, let's unbox Megalodon. So normally, Spin Master's Megalodon would have matte paint, but since this is a zombie truck, it's more glossy. So that's pretty cool. I like the green fins. Got the Megalodon logo, you got the gills, and then the wounds and everything. Very awesome. I love that green shark body. And you got the yellow right there. More wounds going to the tail and the bottom of the fin. You got more wounds right here, and those scary red eyes look awesome. Then you got the teeth. It's got a red roll cage, black chassis, green rims, and then greenish yellowish tires. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, so those are the 3 trucks that I got today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to subscribe and like the video as well. And yeah, so thank you again for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, peace out.